There is no doubt that we are in the midst of great revolution in the history of Indian women. The voice of women is increasingly heard in parliaments, courts and in the streets. The women have to fight for their basic rights. The Constitution of India provides women equal rights, in fact, grants special provisions for women. Unfortunately, women are not aware of these rights. Today we are at Constitution Club of India. Let's take an overview of these basic rights that everyone must be aware of. Right to privacy while recording statements. If a woman finds inconvenient to record her statement, she can always do the same in presence of only one police officer and a lady constable in a less crowded place.
क्या आपको कुछ लॉ के बारे में पता है?
जी नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं है.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not aware.
There should be a protection to the girls.
Time doesn't matter. Filing a FIR by rape victim or someone who is molested has no time boundary, and if she reports about it later, her appeal cannot be rejected.
ये भी ठीक है, पर उसमें फिर मेडिकल का क्या रहेगा? मतलब जैसे भाई मेडिकल प्रूफ मांगते हैं कि उस केस में, तो वो कैसे आएगा 1 महीने बाद?
Email to the rescue. If any victim cannot come to the police station, she can now email to the head police officer.
What they have done is okay up to a certain point.
वो बंदा किस मानसिक स्थिति में है, मेंटल टॉर्चर होता है, ईमेल करने की हालत में है या नहीं है?
Cops can't say no. If a police station refuses to lodge the FIR, a woman in that case can register the same in any police station.
Which are good. But what we need is to implement.
It's confidential only.
लेकिन ये है कि अगर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं और पुलिस से ऐसा बात कर रहे हैं तो चले जाना चाहिए.
No arrest after sunset. A woman cannot arrested after sunset and before sunrise.
Women should have liberty to walk freely even in the night.
रात को अगर ना करें तो ज़्यादा बेटर है.
Protect your identity. Under no circumstances, the name of the victim cannot be revealed by police or media.
If parents want to reveal the identity, there won't be any problem.
Doctors cannot decide. A case of rape cannot be declined on the basis of denial of a doctor. A full report has to be given in case of crime of rape happens.
First, the medical examination should be done.
Employers must protect. It is a necessity for every employer to create a sexual harassment complaint cell within the organization.
I don't think so. It will work. Yeah, to a certain extent, yes, laws can bring a change.
Above all, we need to change ourselves as an individual. Justice and judicial system should be fast-tracked and investigation should be done in a proper way.
So, if any person harasses you, misbehaves with you, try his bad notions on you, or you get strange and weird messages from unknown number, feel free to raise your voice. With cameraman Puneet, this is Renu Dangi from Voice of People.